The human brain is one of the most powerful and fascinating organs in the body. It controls our thoughts, emotions, memories, decisions, and actions. Unlike many people believe, intelligence is not fixed at birth. Modern science has shown that the brain can grow, adapt, and improve throughout life through a process called neuroplasticity. This means that anyone can develop a stronger, sharper, and more efficient brain by adopting the right habits and lifestyle. Developing the brain is not about becoming a genius overnight, it is about continuously improving mental abilities such as memory, focus, creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. With consistent effort, anyone can unlock more of their brain's potential. One of the most effective ways to develop the brain is through continuous learning. Learning challenges the brain and encourages the formation of new neural connections. Reading books, studying new subjects, taking online courses, or learning a new language stimulates different areas of the brain. Every time we learn something new, our brain creates and strengthens pathways that improve our ability to think and remember. People who make learning a lifelong habit tend to remain mentally active and adaptable even as they age. The key is to stay curious and seek knowledge beyond what is required in daily life. Reading is particularly beneficial for brain development. Books expose us to new ideas, perspectives, and information. Reading improves vocabulary, comprehension, imagination, and critical thinking skills. Fiction books help develop creativity and empathy by allowing readers to experience different viewpoints and emotions. Non-fiction books expand knowledge and analytical thinking. Spending even 30 minutes a day reading can significantly improve cognitive abilities over time. Unlike passive entertainment, reading actively engages the brain and encourages deeper thought. Another powerful method of developing the brain is regular physical exercise. Although exercise is often associated with physical health, it has tremendous benefits for mental performance as well. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that support brain function. It also stimulates the release of chemicals that promote the growth of new brain cells and improve memory. Activities such as walking, running, swimming, cycling, and yoga have all been shown to enhance cognitive performance. Regular exercise can improve concentration, reduce stress, and lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Sleep is equally important for brain development. Many people underestimate the role of sleep in learning and memory. During sleep, the brain processes information gathered throughout the day and strengthens memories. Lack of sleep can impair attention, decision-making, creativity, and emotional control. Chronic sleep deprivation may even damage cognitive performance over time. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a comfortable sleeping environment can help improve sleep quality and support brain health. Nutrition also plays a crucial role in brain development. The brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function efficiently. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the fuel necessary for optimal cognitive performance. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for brain health. Antioxidants found in berries and leafy greens help protect brain cells from damage. Staying hydrated is equally important because even mild dehydration can affect concentration and memory. Limiting processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can help maintain long-term brain function. Mental exercises are another excellent way to strengthen the brain. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles, Mental exercise strengthens cognitive abilities. Activities such as puzzles, chess, Sudoku, memory games, and strategic thinking challenges encourage problem-solving and analytical skills. Learning a musical instrument can also significantly improve brain function by enhancing coordination, memory, and concentration. These activities challenge the brain and encourage it to form new neural pathways, making it more adaptable and efficient. Developing focus and concentration is essential for maximizing brain potential. In today's digital world, constant notifications and distractions make it difficult to maintain deep concentration. The brain develops stronger cognitive abilities when it is trained to focus on one task at a time. Techniques such as time blocking, goal setting, and mindfulness can improve concentration. Avoiding multitasking is particularly important because switching between tasks reduces efficiency and increases mental fatigue. Deep, uninterrupted work sessions allow the brain to process information more effectively and build stronger cognitive skills. Mindfulness and meditation have become increasingly recognized as powerful tools for brain development. Meditation trains the mind to remain present and focused. Scientific studies have shown that regular meditation can improve attention, emotional regulation, memory, and stress management. It can also increase the thickness of certain brain regions associated with learning and self-awareness. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily meditation can produce noticeable improvements in mental clarity and emotional well-being. By reducing stress and improving focus, meditation helps create an environment in which the brain can perform at its best. Social interaction also contributes significantly to brain development. Meaningful conversations, teamwork, and relationships challenge the brain to process information, interpret emotions, and solve problems. Engaging with people from different backgrounds and perspectives broadens understanding and stimulates intellectual growth. Social connections can also reduce stress and improve emotional health, which indirectly supports cognitive performance. Participating in discussions, joining clubs, or collaborating on projects can provide valuable opportunities for mental stimulation. Managing stress is another critical factor in developing the brain. While short-term stress can sometimes improve performance, chronic stress can have harmful effects on memory, concentration, and emotional stability. High levels of stress hormones can interfere with brain function and damage areas involved in learning and memory. Developing healthy coping strategies such as exercise, meditation, time management, and relaxation techniques can help protect the brain from the negative effects of prolonged stress. Maintaining a positive mindset and practicing gratitude can further improve emotional resilience and mental health. Creativity is an often overlooked aspect of brain development. Creative activities such as writing, painting, drawing, photography, and brainstorming stimulate different regions of the brain. Creativity encourages flexible thinking and helps individuals approach problems from new perspectives. It also strengthens imagination and innovation, skills that are increasingly valuable in modern society. Engaging in creative activities regularly can improve both cognitive performance and emotional well-being. Setting goals and challenging yourself is another important strategy for brain growth. The brain thrives when it faces new challenges. Setting achievable but demanding goals encourages learning and adaptation. Whether it involves mastering a new skill, completing a difficult project, or improving a personal weakness, challenges force the brain to work harder and develop new capabilities. Growth often occurs outside of one's comfort zone, making it essential to embrace opportunities for learning and improvement. Technology can be both beneficial and harmful to brain development. Educational apps, online courses, and digital learning platforms provide valuable opportunities for acquiring knowledge and skills. However, excessive screen time and passive consumption of content can reduce attention spans and limit deep thinking. It is important to use technology intentionally and balance digital activities with real-world experiences. Spending time outdoors, engaging in physical activities, and interacting with people face-to-face can provide mental benefits that technology alone cannot offer. Developing the brain is a lifelong journey rather than a destination. There is no single secret to becoming smarter or more capable. Instead, brain development results from a combination of healthy habits practiced consistently over time. Learning continuously, exercising regularly, sleeping well, eating nutritious foods, managing stress, staying socially connected, and challenging the mind all contribute to cognitive growth. Small daily improvements can accumulate into significant long-term benefits. In conclusion, the brain is a remarkable organ with an extraordinary ability to grow and adapt. Every person has the potential to improve their mental abilities regardless of age or background. By adopting habits that support learning, health, focus, and creativity, individuals can strengthen their brains and enhance their overall quality of life. Developing the brain is not merely about increasing intelligence, it is about becoming a more capable, thoughtful, and resilient human being. Through dedication, curiosity, and continuous self-improvement, anyone can unlock the full potential of their mind and achieve greater success in both personal and professional life.